Let us solve a question on labor market equilibrium. Question is, consider the production function of an economy as y is equal to a bracket 10L minus 0.05L square. Y is the real output. A denotes the total factor productivity which is being given us as 2. L is the units of labor. Also for this country, the labor supply function is being given us as L is equal to 40 plus 10 bracket 1 minus T bracket close into W. T denotes the tax rate which is being given us as 0.5 and W is the real wage rate. We are supposed to find out the country's equilibrium levels of employment, wage and output. Okay, three things we have to find out. Now to solve this question, let's write what we are being given here. Given this given this production function, we are told that A is equal to 2, that is total factor productivity is equal to 2. So I can write this function as y is equal to, in place of A I will write 2, then we have 10L minus 0.05 L square. Okay, this is the production function. Also let's write the labor supply function which is being given us as, so L is equal to 40 plus 10, 1 minus tax rate is 0.5. I can write 0.5 into W. Okay, I am just rewriting these two expressions. So L will be equal to 40 plus 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 0.5 into 10 is 5. Okay, 5 W. Okay, now for labor market equilibrium, and let me write it here. For labor market equilibrium, for labor market equilibrium, okay, the condition is that marginal product of labor should be equal to the real wage rate. This condition must be satisfied for labor market to be in equilibrium. That means marginal product of labor should be equal to the real wage rate. So we have to find out the marginal product of labor and also wage rate. For this, to find out the marginal product of labor, and we know that marginal product of labor is simply the derivative of production function with respect to labor. Okay, if I take derivative of this function, this production function with respect to labor, I will get the marginal product of labor. Okay, so if I rewrite this for the sake of simplicity, so our y will be equal to uh, 2 into 10 is 20, so 20L minus 2 into 0.5 is 2 into 0.5 is 5 upon 10, so 2 ones are 2 5s are, so it gets equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Actually it is 0.05 square, sorry for this mistake, so it is 0.05 square. So then we have 2 into let me rewrite it, we have 0.05, okay, as it is being given here. So 0.05 can be written as 5 upon 100. So we have 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100, so we have 5 upon 50 which is equal to 5 ones are 5 tens are 1 upon 10 which is equal to 0.1. Okay, so I can write 0.1 L square. Okay, let us see it is with this thing. Now the derivative of this function with respect to L will be, derivative of L is 1, so we are left with 20, minus derivative of L square is twice L, so we will have 2 into 0.1, so we have 0.1 into derivative of L square is twice L. Okay, so let us rewrite it. So our MPL marginal product of labor will be equal to 20 minus 2 into 0.1. So what is 0.1 is 10 into 2, so this becomes 2 upon 10 which is 1 upon 5, or 2 upon 10 is 0.2, 0 to 0.2 L. This is our marginal product of labor. Now we also are supposed to find out the real wage rate. Given the labor supply function here, if I solve this labor supply function for W, and let's solve it here. So 5W will be equal to, transposing this here, so we have L minus 40, or dividing both sides by 5, we will get W is equal to L upon 5, L upon 5 minus 40 upon 5. So this is L upon 5 is 0.2, and let me write it here, 0.2 L minus 5 ones are 5 eights are 48. So our wage rate is equal to 0.2 L minus 8. Now we use the labor market equilibrium, that is marginal product of labor should be equal to real wage. Marginal product of labor is equal to 20 minus 0.2 L, and it should be equal to real wage rate, that is equal to 0.2 L minus 8. Let us solve it for L to get the equilibrium level of employment here. Okay, transposing this here, 0.2 is 0.4 L is equal to, transposing this, it will get added, minus 8 will become plus 8, so we have 28, which gives us L will be equal to, okay, so what will be the value of L here? So we have zero point 0.4 can be written as 4 upon 10 if I make it fraction. Okay, so we have 28 into 4 upon 10 will become 10 upon 4 if I transpose it to the RHS. So we have 4 ones are 4 sevens are, so 7 tens are 70. That means our equilibrium level of employment will be equal to 70 units of labor. So first thing is we have find out the equilibrium level of employment. Now we need to calculate the equilibrium level of wage rate. Simple thing, just plug the value of L into wage rate function, and let me see if I have the space left available. Yes, I do have. So to find out the value of equilibrium wage rate, simply plug L is equal to 70 into wage function, so W will be equal to 0.2 into 70 minus 8. So this will come out to be 0.2 into 70. Let us see what it is equal to. So this is 2 upon 10 into 70, so this gets cancelled, it comes out to be 14 minus 8. Am I doing it correctly or not? Let me see here. Point 2, let us write it here. I am really sorry, I sometimes get stuck with this simple calculation. Point 2 can be written as 2 upon 10, okay, into we have 70 minus 8, so we have, this gets cancelled, 2 sevens are 14 minus 8. Now I guess it is equal to 5, so equilibrium wage rate will be equal to 5. Okay, I hope I have done the calculation right. To find out the total output or equilibrium level of output, simply plug the value of we have this production function, or let us plug here the value of L. Okay, so we will get the value of output here. So we have 20 labor units, we got 70 equilibrium minus 0.1 into 70 square. Okay, 70 square equal to y is equal to 2 sevens are, it is 1400 minus 0.1 is 1 upon 10 into 70 into 70. 70 square can be written as like this. So we get here y will be equal to 1400 minus we have 70 into 17, that is 4900. Okay, 77 sevens are 49, 498 came out to be. So y will be equal to 1400 minus 490 minus, sorry, we have 1400 minus 490. 0 go 0 daha 9 6 ak şimdi timsah yine 3 so this is 910. So this comes out to be 910. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. So we got the equilibrium level of employment is 70 units of labor. Wage rate we got which is equal to 5, and equilibrium level of output we got 910. I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.